Hey guys! For today's video, I will show you how to set your Facebook cover photos privacy to private. Ensure that you have installed the most recent version of the Facebook application. Upon launching Facebook, our initial action would be to access our profile page by selecting our profile picture located on the left corner of the screen. Upon arriving at our profile page, the interface will be presented in the manner demonstrated. Suppose I wish to upload a new cover photo and keep it private without alerting anyone. To accomplish this, I will select the COVID photo shown here. Next, by tapping the cover photo option at the bottom, I can upload a photo from my gallery. Alternatively, you can view your current profile cover and choose a photo from your existing Facebook photos to update it. However, if you select View Profile Cover or click the Edit button at the top, you will not see an option to modify your privacy settings in this manner since Facebook does not offer this feature. Once I attempt to post it, I will see an option at the bottom labeled Share Your Update to Newsfeed. It will inform all my Facebook friends that I have updated my cover photo and they will have the ability to like, comment, and share the update. This is the only solution and the way to actually not notify your friends that you have changed your Facebook cover photos and set it to private. So there you have it. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe.